It's more fun to be a girl.
Yeah,
Diba?
I like being a
Whatever
girl.
is your
Being a
sexual
girl.
orientation, it's more fun to be a woman. So many also want to be women. Oh.
Yeah.
And the women are getting smarter now. They're not going with men anymore. They're going with women. Oh, diba? Diba?
Yeah.
I mean, I
Gets
get,
naman eh.
like,
I
gets ko
understand.
why women would choose to be with another woman. I understand.
Nalala ko nanay ko. You know, I was so close to my mother. I love her so much. I miss her up to now. Na-depress ako, no? For 6 months when my parents died. Lalo na my mother. So, I was in a dorm, right?
Yeah.
So, this girl kissed me. So, I went home, you know, I was like, what happened? Oh, confused ako, di ba? I was 13. Sabi niya, although she was cute. So, anyway, so sabi ko sa nanay ko, I really remember it. I was lying down with pillows here, and she said, oh, why are you back from school? It's not yet break. Sabi ko, I'm not feeling well, so I came home.
Naratil ka.
I want to tell you something. Sabi niya, yeah, what? And you know, my mother's a lawyer, board member, and ang ganda-ganda ng nanay ko. She's graceful, gracious, and ay nako. Pero fierce, very fierce. So she sat on the bed, and I said, a girl kissed me, and I kissed her back. And my mother went like this to my forehead. You'll be fine tomorrow. I love you, Nay. I love you, Nay. I miss you. I love you.